So I've been getting quite a few comments from people trying to take one of these apart about how to remove the brushes from this. I guess I didn't go over that well enough in the couple videos that I've done, simply because it's very easy. All you have to do is tip your machine over and then pull out the brushes, just like that. All they do is they clip in to the underside here. They just clip right in through there. Literally, all you do is you just pull it out. If you want to take this apart, all you have to do is very carefully, one at a time, pry up on these little tabs, and then slowly open like you would a cell phone case, you know, an OtterBox cell phone case or something similar for your phone. And then you can just pop everything off. I have a video up where I have taken one of these apart. I can't remember which one, but it's pretty simple. Just figured I'd let you guys know that. And then when you're ready to reinstall it, you can see it's got this weird looking keyway on it. Just do that, and that's it. That's how you take one out and put one back in. Stupid simple.